So today we're going to be talking about the difference between whole life and term insurance. And so we know that term insurance is more like renting, right? Versus whole life insurance is more like buying. And so of course we know we have to pay our premiums for any of them to uphold their part of the agreement. However, with term insurance, let's say you have a 10-year term policy. After that 10 years, unfortunately, you lose those benefits, right? But however, with whole life insurance, after you have to definitely structure your whole life properly. So you have to have a knowledgeable agent to be able to get that proper policy in place. So don't just go online and try to, order a policy for yourself. But you have to also really realize that you can set it up for a 10, 20, 30 year, or even a lifetime longer than that, 95, 100. But the more you put in, the more you get out of it, right? But when you properly structure it, let's say for 10 years, right? That policy is going to last for the entire length of your life, right? Not like term insurance. However, we know that there's a significant difference between term insurance and whole life insurance, right? And that being said, we know that term insurance is significantly cheaper because, of course, majority of term insurance policies don't pay out because most people outlive their policies. And we know that whole life insurance is more expensive because of the fact that you're also holding cash value so that you can be able to utilize that money whenever you so please. And it also has living benefits in there as well. And it also lasts for the remainder of your life. And so this is a significant for the price difference. And so with that, I want to say that there are many people that are unable to afford the term insurance right now. I'm sorry, the whole life insurance right now because they might be in debt. They might be paying off, certain loans, student loans, etc. They might not even have the financial literacy that they need. They might have credit issues. They might have, just a slew of things that people might not prioritize. They might not even have an emergency fund. And so with that being said, I always encourage my clients to, if you're unable to afford a whole life insurance right now, it's really important for you to even pick up a term insurance, right? And the term insurance that my company deals with is the fact that it's convertible term. And what does that mean? So let's say you have a 10-year term insurance and it is a convertible term. That means within that 10-year span, you have the opportunity to upgrade that term insurance to a whole life policy, right? Without having to go through the stipulations of a medical exam. And even on top of that, even if you per se, let's say you have a heart attack or a stroke or something to that effect that would now impact your insurability, it now allows you to be able to still upgrade to that whole life policy without the medical examination, right? So you've actually secured your insurability with that term insurance policy. And so it protects you and your family from anything harmful that might happen to your health down the line. And so this is what I encourage for my clientele, to really be able to protect yourself, get that insurability, and to really, really be able to make sure that, especially even some young people, they might feel like they can't afford a whole life right now, or they might feel like, oh, I don't have a family, etc. But the bottom line is, when you do have that family, you now might be uninsurable. So this is really, really a great issue in our world today, is many young people, many healthy people, even if you're middle age, are losing their insurability because in a moment's notice, life changes. So I implore you today to just click the link below, schedule your clarity call with me and let me see how I can help you to be able to protect your family and yourself from anything catastrophic. Thank you.